everyone, welcome back in today's video. Let's discuss about the new enhancement that happens inside the inventory module of Odoo 19.4. So let's head over to the inventory module first of all. And the first and the major updates that happens inside the inventory is the stock allocation report. So basically, this gives you a clearer view of how your available stock is being allocated to different orders or the requirements as well. So where you can move on to the configuration, and I'm moving on to the operation types. Under the receipt, if I'm clicking on there you can see the show allocation option. So basically, if you guys are just checking this box or ticking this, Odoo will automatically show the allocation report if there are moves to allocate to when validating. Okay. So you can simply see the allocation report on the basis of that, because if you guys are just managing any kind of warehouses inside your business, the allocation of each of the stocks inside your inventory is also an important thing. Okay, so you can provide or you can check them and you will get a report over each of the receipts. Okay, and then you can also provide a destination location for your allocation. So there you can see the location for allocation. So it allowed to define the location where the allocated product should be sent. So here I just provided. If you want to provide any other allocations, I mean side or the like the shelf or the stock side, you can simply access from here itself and you can provide them. Okay, that's how it actually working. And if I'm moving on to the overview and if I'm just selecting any of the receipt, like let me receive any of the product. So if I'm just clicking on this particular order, and there you can see there we have a location report. If I'm just clicking on there, I can simply reserve any of the product. Okay, before it receiving, so I can reserve them. So that's how the allocation report works. So for the business managing a large number of sales and inventory transaction, what do you guys need to do? Basically, this can make it much easier to understand whenever your stock is going and which order are consuming your available inventory as well. Okay, so instead of manually checking those multiple records, what you need to do, you get a more organized view of your stock allocation. So that's the first one. Now let's look at the second one, which is the stock aging report. So the stock aging report can be found under the reporting. And if I'm moving on to the move analysis, from there itself, you can see a lot of products are there, a lot of information that regarding, which means each and every months are there as well, right? So if I'm moving on to the search bar and I'm taking the search filter, which is aging report, from there itself you can see suddenly the pivot table is changing, and from there itself I can see what are the product that are sitting under my inventory for a long period of time. So when the stock aging report, you can simply identify how alter your inventory and take action, such as promoting slow moving products, adjusting the purchase decision, or clearing the excess stocks as well. So basically, this feature can be particularly useful for the businesses that dealing with the product that can become outdated or lose value over a time period as well. So from here itself, you can see under the pivot table, here that particular thing is already, sorry, there we have a filter as well. So if I'm moving on to the filter, it will be showing the remaining quantity and the remaining value as well. So if I want to see the demanded one, I can also select that particular thing and I can also see the demanded one from there itself. Okay. So that's how the aging report will be working. Now let's look at the third thing, which means the barcode instruction preview. So you can simply find the barcode instruction preview on Odoo 19.4 by moving on to the operation type, and I'm just selecting an internal transfer. So each of the internal transfer, there you can see three tab, which means the general hardware, and there we have the barcode app. If I'm moving on to there itself, okay, when working with any kind of barcode app operation, employee often need to know exactly what action they should perform, right? They what kind of thing that you need to get. So we guys need to provide a kind of instruction. So the new preview make it easier to see the barcode instruction before using them in the warehouse. So if I'm just moving on to this section, you can see here Odoo is giving an instruction preview. From there itself, you can see what are the steps. The first step, they need to scan the product, which is an optional thing, and they will have the scan a lot and serial number if the product is tracker. That is not optional. Then you can see scan more lot and serial number. It is also optional. So Odoo will give you the priority on the basis of the instruction previews as well. And if I'm moving on to the source location and I'm changing, this is a mandatory scan. tada, you can see the instruction preview as well change it from there itself. Okay, so that's how it works. And if I'm just saving this manually, okay, there we have an invalid operation because this is an internal transfer. I just want to provide this as an optional scan. Okay, now let's save this manually. So that's how what will you working, the barcode instruction preview will working. So this basically helps to reduce confusion for warehouses employees and make barcode basis operation easier to follow. Okay, so if your company is using a barcode system or something like that, you can use this feature. Now let's talk about the fourth thing, which means an automatic CMR consignment note. So what do you mean by the CMR consignment note? It's basically an important thing once you guys are delivering any kind of product on an international basis. So if I'm moving on to the delivery orders, so there we have 45 to deliver. Okay, and if I'm just clicking on any of them, I can see that moving on to the gear icon. So I'm just clicking on this one. And if I'm moving on to the gear icon and under the printing, from there itself, I can simply get the consignment note of the CMR. Okay. So for business involved in the transportation and logic, a CMR document contains important information about the shipment and its transportation as well. So with this improvement, Odoo can automatically generate the CMR consignment note as a part of the delivery process, reducing the need to prepare this document manually. So if you want to get them, simply click on this option and you will directly moving on to the CMR consignment notes there. So it started to download. So if you want to see them, you can simply download and see it. Okay. So basically, these are the the enhancement that happens the inventory module of Odoo 19. And I want to add one more thing. There we have another update that happens inside Odoo, which is you guys can simply use Odoo now using your mobile phone. Is that an interesting part? Okay, let me give you a simpler explanation. If I am a business person, or if I am a owner of any kind of business, I'm not comfortable with the system or the laptop every time because I have a lot of meetings and I need to do a lot of personal thing. I just want to meet my friends, and each of things will be regarding my personal life, right? But I just want to carry my business through all of this stuff. How I can do that using a system? I go to my friends meeting using the system and just going to the Odoo? What are the things that are happening? Is it an appropriate thing? I'm sorry. Yeah, I mean, what we can say is that is that how I can manage them? No, it's not the good thing. So you can now use Odoo using a mobile phone because we Cybrosys introduced Mobo, which is mobile suite for app Odoo. So what you need to do is actually move on to the app store or the play store, go and download it. And to get much more easier, I just do one thing, because inside this particular video on the description box, I just provided the link where you need to get the download the application and how you can download, and each and everything will be there. So I just need to say you one thing: go and experience it. Okay, because this is one of the most beautiful, or we can say one of the most good advantage that ever happens to Odoo. Okay, so you can move on to there and just experience it, and please give me the suggestions, like how is your experience while using this app, and if you guys have any kind of comments or the suggestions about this particular app, give me. We'll be very happy to get the suggestions and review about Odoo from you guys. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another enhancement that happens inside Odoo 19.4. Till the next video, bye bye.